This is the man who helped kick Sam Altman out of the CEO seat last year, only to regret it later and watch as Altman took back his throne in a whirlwind of drama. OpenAI broke the news on their blog, and Ilya himself posted on X. Now, if you've been following the saga, you know that Ilya has been a cornerstone of OpenAI since its inception in 2015, recruited by none other than Elon Musk. He's been steering the ship on AI safety and development, even officiating the wedding of President Greg Brockman at the OpenAI offices. But Ilya and Sam Altman didn't always see eye to eye, especially when it came to the rapid development of AI and its potential dangers. Last year, Ilya was part of the crew that tried to fire Altman, which led to a chaotic few days where nearly 770 employees threatened to quit unless Altman was reinstated. In March, when asked about Ilya, Altman couldn't help but express his love and admiration for him. Despite the drama, it was clear there was a lot of respect there, and just this Tuesday, Altman called Ilya one of the greatest minds of our generation on X. Enter Safesuperintelligence Inc., or SSI for short. This is Ilya's bold new venture aimed at developing AI that's both powerful and safe. Imagine a world where AI advancements don't come at the cost of safety. That's the dream SSI is chasing. With offices in Palo Alto and Tel Aviv, SSI is all set to recruit top talent and push the boundaries of AI development while keeping safety as their top priority.
Stop it. Get some help.
Advance capabilities as fast as possible, but ensure safety stays ahead of the curve. With Ilya at the helm and a team of brilliant minds, SSI is poised to be a major player in the AI race. But their commitment to safety marks a significant step forward in the responsible development of artificial intelligence. So, there you have it. The AI landscape is changing, and Ilya Sutskever is once again at the forefront. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more on the latest in tech and AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.